Hey, this is John. I am going to give us a quick little lesson on the air conditioning system. Okay, so I'm going to turn this. I want you to see this button here. Okay, you see the button with the car and the little arrow going around, the circles lit up at the bottom, right in the middle. That is the Recirculate button, and that button, and also the AC button. We don't really need the Max AC button. Actually, Max AC would turn that Recirculate button on automatically, but if you don't have the Max AC button on, you do the AC and the Recirculate. The reason we don't do the Max AC and we do Recirculate and AC is because Max AC turns the automatic thermostat down to 65. Well, no one really wants it to be 65. So we don't want to turn the temperature to a setting that no one wants that temperature. So the Recirculate button and the AC button should be set in the summertime. And then over here, the auto button should also be set. And then we should set the temperature on a normal temperature. These plus and minus buttons, right, set the temperature. So set the temperature where you want it, maybe 68, 70. And then the reason we want the Recirculate button is because in the summertime, air is humid. We do not want to pull humid air into the car. That humidity gets into your air conditioner, gets your filters wet, and creates moisture in your air ducts that allows bacteria to grow. So all summer long, right, we don't want to run the air conditioner without the Recirculate button. The Recirculate keeps our air ducts fresh. It recirculates dry air from inside the car that's already dry because we've already air conditioned it and dried it. Recirculate is important. And it'll actually make your car cool quicker, and also there's less of the up and down. If you don't use the Max AC and you got everything turned down to 60, and then you got to jack it back up to 70 because it's too cold, just use the automatic thermostat for recirc, right, AC, and then use the auto thermostat control. And that'll keep and teach your students these things. Teach your students how to set their air conditioner properly. It's one of the things we can do as a value add for our students. This is me, just another little educational little perk of drive time. Thanks.